What's up? This is your weekend TA, and this is not financial advice. I repeat, this is not financial advice whatsoever. As you can see, I have my zones plotted out already, and let's get into it. Oh, and today is the 2nd of December, 2023. Let's go. So yeah, these levels real quick. It's 4160, 4350, 4530, and the big 4600. Let's go. I can already hear it. I can already hear people saying, "Oh, yeah, looks like a double top. It looks like a double top." Listen. I'm not here to tell you what, who, and how you should do your things. It is what it is. All right. So my my first look at this whole overview of things, I see that we're coming from a huge downtrend. Let's say about a little over a 4 month downtrend. And as you can see, the market did react at that 4600 level, which the market do love the psychological numbers. And yeah, we reacted off that zone, well, that price, and we sold off, gap down, sold off, and then we hit this zone, this price level, which was the 43 50s, right? As you can see, we touched this area once already before, right? We got a bounce, tested again, price came into it, rejected, bought up, came to this zone right here, previous zone, previous low. You can see, boom, touched the neckline, sold off. Buyers tried to step back in, but couldn't hold it. Bid sold off. I wouldn't say this is a level, but I didn't have anything to plot it off, so I avoided it. But yeah, price did get bought up a little bit. Um, and guess what we came and had a fight. Fought, choppy, right back in this 4350 zone. Not one, not two, not three, four times. But before we get to this zone, guess what happened? Price sold up, price sold down. Well, sold up, price sold off, and guess what? Buyers was waiting for this level from all the way up here. They was waiting for it from all that. They gobbled this thing up, bought shares, bought contracts, you name it. They bought it and bought the price right up. Right up to the point where this level didn't even exist anymore. Blew right past it. Yes, sellers try to step in, but they didn't hold. They got blew right out of the water. And I would even see sellers at this point. I would just say probably buyers that bought down here was probably just selling some of their contracts, laying it off, and we got this little bear's candle here that really didn't do anything, and we just blew right out of the water. As you can see, that the trend finally was broken. That 4 month trend was finally broken. But you know, who's to say that the trend wasn't broken from before? And this is why sometimes I don't pay attention to trend lines, because depending on how you do your trend lines, because you could do your trend lines like like this. You can say, oh, this is a trend line. You know what I mean? Oh, trend is broken. You know what I mean? And you could do a trend line, from right here to right here. Oh, trend line is broken. But anyways, I digress. The trend was broken. Uh, and we pushed up. We these zones didn't hold whatsoever. This one. The only zone right now that's that well, we don't know if it's gonna hold, because we have Monday. to look forward to. But people's gonna speculate. You know, is this zone gonna be that zone where sellers step in? Who knows? Who knows? This is why we have to do our homework. We don't know if there's any earnings coming up. Well, I mean, we can. That is a something quick Google research or, but any huge news or what may trigger the market. You just have to look. We have to look forward to see. But there's a couple plays here. Like I said, I'm not giving any advice on how to play this zone or this level or what comes for the following days to come. But what I can say is that these zones are going to be watched. I'm definitely watching these zones here, the 4600, and especially this level here, the 45 30s or 4500s. I'm gonna watch these levels. Come Monday, we probably can see a morning gap up, depending on how strong these buyers are. We can possibly see a gap up at open or whatnot and break this high. But even if we do see that, still I'm still gonna watch the 4600 because we can always retest that level or retest this level. I feel like the trend has changed. For how long, I don't know. I don't know. We just have That's something that we just have to excuse me, watch and see how price action reacts to these zones. But I feel like we have a long way down. It took roughly 4 months, over 4 months to get down from up here to down here. So it would take it would I feel like it would take about a while. It would take a while for it to get back down to here, and in that time we don't know what may transpire as fundamental from a fundamental standpoint. So like I said, these two levels is my two levels that I will be watching these coming days and seeing how. And also this, I can't put this off because we touched this zone so many times. But in order for me to start watching those, we will have to break down. We have to break below this zone exact. But that's a quick TA. Nothing special. Just pretty much just going over these levels, trying to keep it as simple as possible. Um, don't have an ideal play yet. I'll structure that probably tomorrow or so, and you know go from there. All right then. Until next time.